New camera, well, new to me, it's only a second hand, but it's a EOS M3 Canon, so mirrorless, smaller, not as complicated as a DSLR, hasn't got the stupid focusing of the D700, and it's Wi-Fi, so I can send stuff directly to my phone, so possibly edit from phone, or at least empty my SD cards onto my phone. Also my DSLR lenses will fit it with an adapter, and the adapter's like 30 quid. I have got it with me. If I might try and get my 50mm out and see how this films with it. Should be good actually. Quite impressed with this so far. It's a higher megapixel as well, 24 megapixel. But the real test today is to see how the mic works, because we've got a lot of background noise. So whether, as long as it picks me up and hear the nice background noise, that's pretty good, isn't it? So the other thing is the screen is a backflip screen, so it's directly above. So when I look at that, I'm kind of looking at you a little bit, rather than looking over to the side and talking like that and making me look like I've had a stroke or something. So and it's whoops, yeah, just got to get used to the face tracking on it, but it's pretty good. It's all right for an older camera, but then I'm not going to pay 400 or 500 quid on a brand new spanking camera that I'm going to take out in the woods and it's going to get muddy and dirty. I'd rather have a piece of crap than I can take liberties with it, if you know what I mean. So already this focus isn't driving me absolutely balmy. Now I don't know if there's a problem with my other camera, but I've done all the sort of tests on it. It's just one of those things, it won't focus when you want it to, and you can waste so much time. So that I went for the GoPro because I don't want to pee around with, you know, focusing and stuff, and I want something a bit more waterproof so I can use my kayak. But I am missing, there's that certain optics. You know, the GoPro is good, it is very good, but I'm just missing that kind of soft optics and the soft focus of having nice lenses. So I'll crack out the Nifty 50 Vertrox. So this gives you the space, because a DSLR is deeper away from the sensor, whereas this is a lot smaller unit, so you need to have that space, otherwise the 50mm would be too close to the sensor. So the cropping mechanism would just completely muller it. And then we've just got a standard Canon 50mm lens on here. So I'm going to whack that on. Let's have a look. In that kind of soft focus in the background, so you can't focus on my hand, but then if I move, there you go, that nice crisp and then blurry background. So when I film things like these leaves, track that one, yeah, you get that beautiful background. Definition wise and face tracking wise, this is actually not bad. Yeah, so it's keeping up with me even if I move back slowly. So I'm well happy with that. There you go. And the whole tree is covered in birch polypores all the way up. And even right at the top there's a few. Now it's completely dead, that tree, obviously. I don't know what it is, there is something just very captivating about mushrooms. Whether it's the rarity, you don't see them very often, but everybody likes a good photo of a mushroom, don't they?